Tony Robbins talks about that there are 5 things that will keep people in the state that they are, 5 things that will prevent you from breaking through, succeeding in changing your life, and ultimately succeeding in a transformation. Those 5 things are fear, maybe fear of failure, fear of judgment of others, of what will they think of me if I actually try to improve the quality of my life. Number 2 is limiting beliefs, holding on to a victim state mentality, holding on to the fact or the belief that my past will determine my future. Number 3 is emotions or emotional states. Stress keeps people shackled in so many areas. Sadness, depression. Number 4 is their bad habits or bad patterns. They just aren't doing the things that are going to improve the quality of their life, and they stay stuck in the cycle of doing the things that are keeping them shackled to mediocrity. And the 5th one is skills. Do you have the necessary skills to break through, transform, and succeed at changing the quality of your life? In this episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to talk to you about the skills that are necessary in breaking your pornography addiction, rebooting your life, and becoming the man that you were born and created to be. Ultimately, the one that lives a porn-free life. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to The Rebuilt Man. My name is Coach Frank Rich. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching here on YouTube, guys, we drop 3 episodes every single week. If you're listening on audio, guys, and you got value out of this episode, take a minute and leave us a 5-star rating and written review. But the skills that are necessary, yes, there are skills that you will need to acquire. Right now, if you're struggling with breaking through, maybe it's one of the 5 things that Tony talks about. But chances are you're lacking certain skills in certain areas of your life. And I want to give you those tools today that will help you transcend this behavior. Remove pornography, remove the desire, able to handle stress, triggers, and urges so you no longer succumb to them. So you're not a victim of your own habits. The first skill that is needed and is necessary is the skill of self-awareness. Socrates said, know thyself. Do you know where you're stressed? Do you know where you're triggered? Do you know times of day, certain environments that will make you weak, vulnerable, and more susceptible to falling into the trap of pornography? If you're lacking a skill of self-awareness, you're not operating in full control of your life. If you don't know who you are, if you don't know where you're going to be susceptible and perhaps vulnerable to giving in to temptations, you will never be able to put the necessary boundaries up in your life and in your environments. If you don't know what situations trigger or stress you out, you will never be able to be prepared to take on those moments. So the first skill that we must develop today, men, is the skill of self-awareness. In our program, Reboot Your Life, we have multiple tools that we go through on a daily and on a weekly basis. Very early on in the program, we're going to walk you through a series of exercises and journal prompts that will help you understand more about you, understand more about your past, so that you can bridge the gap from who you are today and become the man that can live porn free. So if you do not have self-awareness, this could be the reason why you haven't yet broken through. The second skill that is necessary is the skill of discipline. Doing what you want in the moment because it's moving you towards a closer future. Discipline is saying no to the things that may feel good. Learning to say no is a skill set. This is why we practice fasting on a very regular basis. Early on in the program, once again, we're going to force you to build discipline, to build self-control, to build willpower. These are all tools that successful people in any area of their life possess. And in fact, it's one of the 3 traits of the most successful people in the world. Number 1 being they believe themselves to be better than others. Kind of ego driven there. Number 2 is they believe that we'll never be fully enough. So there's a weird dichotomy there. They know they're great, but they'll never be the greatest. And the third discipline, or the third skill of all great successful people, the top 1% in the world, is the ability to deny themselves, to say no. Look at your life. Where are you lacking discipline? Do you not hit snooze? Do you follow the meal plan? And when you set out on a meal plan, do you commit to it? Or do you give in the minute you see McDonald's or Taco Bell? When you say you're going to go to the gym, do you go to the gym? Discipline is a skill. Navy SEALs weren't born with this. They had to develop. That's what boot camp is all about. You build discipline by doing hard and difficult things, even when you don't want to. And you build discipline by saying no, even when your body is trying to tell you yes. So the second skill that is necessary, and probably this is a major one that you are lacking, is the skill of discipline. And the third tool, the third skill will help you in your discipline, but it's the skill of self-regulation. Do you have the ability to regulate and calm your nervous system? When you're in a fight or flight mode, do you have the ability to bring that heart rate down, to calm and relax your nervous system, to calm and relax your thoughts? Prayer, gratitude, meditation, journaling, all tools that will help you build the skill of self regulation. Doing a cold shower is a shock to your nervous system. And if you aren't going to go into a panic mode, you have to learn to calm yourself down. In my opinion, that is one of the greatest daily practices that we shouldn't just be doing to help us break free from porn, but we should be doing that because we know life is going to get stressful. When somebody cuts you off in traffic, do you flip them the bird? Do you immediately respond in a heightened panic state? Or do you have the ability to regulate yourself? When the boss gets on you at work, do you go back to your desk and start cursing them out underneath your breath? That's lacking self regulation. When your wife denies you of sex and intimacy, do you throw a temper tantrum? When things don't go your way, do you run back to pornography? That is lacking self regulation. So, the third skill that is necessary to truly break free, not to manage this addiction, not white knuckle your way through it, but actually transcend the behavior and create a life of absolute freedom, is self regulation. I opened up this episode talking about the 5 things that hold all people back: fear, limiting beliefs, emotions such as stress, sadness, depression, bad habits or bad patterns, skills. We then talked about the skills that are necessary: self awareness, integrated into our core curriculum, tools that will help you build what is necessary, discipline, having the ability to say no, tools that are built into our core curriculum, self regulation. We have an entire section in our program called the Internal Arts, where we teach breathing, we teach meditation, we teach physical Tai Chi, practices that can be done on a daily and weekly basis that give you the skill to pull the lever in your real life in real time when you need them. So, guys, if you're sick and tired of living in mediocrity, if you're sick and tired of not being the man that you were born to be, if you're sick and tired of being a slave to this addiction, we're doing something right now we've never done before. Our course has helped well over 700 men now, approaching 800 at this point, break free from this addiction and create a 100% porn free life. We sold it as low as $297 in the past, and men have paid me up to $3,000 to $4,000 for one-to-one and group-based coaching. Right now, today, a one-time payment of just $99 will give you everything you need over the next 16 weeks to develop the skills that are necessary, to raise your self-awareness, to develop the discipline, to build the self-regulation tools, not just so you can manage this addiction, but you can transcend the behavior, create freedom in your life, and go on to become the man that you were born to be. $99, it's a one-time payment. Click the link down there in the show notes, or visit rebuiltrecovery.com/no brainer. Guys, this is less than $1 a day to give you everything you need to create the freedom in your life that you ultimately deserve. Rebuiltrecovery.com/no brainer. Click the link down there in the show notes. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But share this episode, guys. You know there's somebody in your life that is lacking these tools. Whether you've already transcended the behavior in yourself and you're walking in freedom, or you're struggling and you can unite yourself with your brother and go on this journey together. Guys, hit that subscribe button. $99, reboot your life. Rebuiltrecovery.com/no brainer. Click the link down there in the show notes or in the description. But Coach Frank Rich here, episode 22 of The Rebuilt Man. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next one.